Hi. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? What are you doing to the crib? Look at the sheets all messed up. You're you're up in the corner hiding. Do you like it there? You stuck? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Can you get out? You're in the corner with all your toys. Look at this. Here's the whole crib. And where's Tristan? Way up in the corner. Are you going to stay there? Is that where you want to stay? You can't get out, can you? Come on, big boy. This is what we do instead of actually taking our naps and destroy the crib. Where are you going? Where are you going? You need some help? Tristan made his own little fort in the corner there. Hi! Hi! We're watching you. Where do you think you're going? You can't go any further. You can't go any further. You're already in the corner. What are you doing, Nutty? Come here. I rescued you. I rescued you. Yeah? What a good napper you are. Hello? What are you doing? Yeah, you're going back to the corner, it looks like, huh? You are a nutty baby. You are a nutty baby. Oh, now we can see you. Open the window, now we can see you. What's he doing in there? What's he doing in there? Let's see. Can we see? Tristan, hello, buddy. We found your fort. Yes, we did. What are you doing?